Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. Okay, students, you are ready for today's class? Okay, let's start. So, student, this is your block 8 and this is the part 1 of your block. So, students, this is a riddle and tell me it is made of clay and we use it to keep water. It is a three-letter word that rhyming with hot. What am I talking about? So I am talking about a pot. pot का rhyming word क्या हो गया pot और हम water भी किस में रखते हैं pot में. So this is pot. So this is a riddle. Now student, look at these pictures. Now tell me what is this? What do you see? So student, these are the pictures. Look at these pictures carefully. Okay student. Now students, tell me the answer of this question. What did you see in the pictures? What kind of pots are in term of? What do you see in these pictures? These are pots. In these picture there are different kinds of pots. So student, what kind of pots are in term of shape, their shape and size, and what do you think they are made of, and how would you use them? How would you use them? So student, there are many kinds of there are different types of pot and different sizes. Some pots are big and some are small. So these pots are made by using clay. So these are the clay pots. How would you use them? We use these pots in different kinds of uses. They are made of clay and these pots are made of clay. These are clay pots. So students, now tell me, have you seen pots before? Yes, we see before pots. Where? So students, where do you see in these pots? So we can find these pots in pottery shop. Pottery shop होती है ना, उनमें बहुत सारे pots रखे होते हैं. Okay, so student, tell me what are different ways to use pots. So student, look at these pictures. There are different kinds of pots. So there are different kind of pots. Pots can be used by people for different purpose. For example, this pot is used to serve food, and this is used to store water, and this pot for decoration. We can use this pot for decoration, and we in this pot used to grow plants. We can grow plants in this pot, and in this pot we keep our money safe, है ना. तो हम इसमें मनी के लिए इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जैसे आपके पास पिकी बैंक होते हैं ना, गुल्लक बोलते हैं जिसको, वो है. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट, आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. So students, tell me, what are different ways to use pots? So these are the uses of pots: store food, cook food, for decoration, and for fill water. We store water in pots. Okay student, I hope it is clear to you. Now student, tell me, why do people make pots? Why do people make pots? People make pots for people make different type of pots to earn his living, है ना. People make pots and sell them into the market, and they earn their living by selling these pots. So now student, tell me, how can you use pots in your houses? So we can use different kinds of pots, like we use pots to cook food, store food, fill water, to store greens like pickles, to fill and keep water, and to grow plants, and for decoration. So there are different kinds of uses of pots. So student, I hope it is clear to you. Move on next. So this is your lesson 1, pottery. Pottery is the art of making different things by carefully sharpening clay. क्या है पोट्री? क्या है? क्ले से थिंग्स बनाने की एक कला है, दिस इज द आर्ट। और उसको कैसे करते हैं? केयरफुली करेंगे और उसको शेप देंगे, शेपिंग क्ले है ना, क्ले को एक शेप दे देते हैं, तो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पोट्री। सो पीपल हैव बीन मेकिंग क्ले पोट्स बाय हैंड इन इंडिया फॉर 100 ईयर्स। जो 100 ईयर से हैं इंडिया में जो पीपल हैं वो क्ले पोट्स बनाते आए हैं। पीपल हु मेक पोट्स टू अर्न अ लिविंग आर नोन एज पोटर। जो पोट्स बनाएंगे और अर्न करेंगे मनी, उनको क्या बोलेंगे हम? पोटर्स। मैनी पोटर्स वर्क इन विलेजेस, सम ऑल्सो वर्क फ्रॉम सिटीज़। मैनी जो पोटर्स हैं, बहुत सारे पोटर हैं, वो विलेजेस में काम करते हैं, कुछ पोटर्स हैं वो सिटीज़ में भी काम करते हैं। सो टुडे योर टॉपिक इज डिफरेंट यूजेस ऑफ पोट्स। There are different kinds of pots. We use pots for different reasons. Pots used to serve food, pots used to store water, pots used to store beans and pickles, pots used to keep money, pots used to grow plants, and pots used for decoration. So we use pots in different ways. So students, in India, people also use pots for serving desserts like kheer or for setting curd. हम ना खीर जो होती है, खीर एक डेजर्ट है इंडिया में, उसको भी रख सकते हैं, उसको सर्व कर सकते हैं पोट में, करते भी हैं कुछ लोग। और उसमें कर्ड होती है, कर्ड को भी सेट करते हैं, नहीं दही भी जमाते हैं ना। Okay, in some places pots are even used to make music. So how are pots used in your house? आपके हाउस में कैसे यूज़ करते हैं? So students, in my house I use pots for decoration. So student, I hope it is clear to you. Now let's discuss our worksheet. So student, let's discuss our worksheet. This is your S1 of block 8, uses of pots. There is a picture A and there is a picture B. So student, this is your question 1. Write one way in which these pots in the picture can be used. In picture A, we can use the pots for decorating a house. And second one, B, we can use this pot to serve curd or serve kheer or serve food. Okay, we use this pot for serving food. इसमें सर्विंग करेंगे हम फूड को. So student, I hope answer question 1 is clear to you. And this is question 2. Write 2 other ways in which pots can be used. So students, we can use pots for saving water. We can also use pots for decoration. So I hope answer 2 is clear to you. So student, now let's discuss our question 3. How can you use pots in your house? So students, we can use pots use the pots for serving food, for keeping money, for grow plants, and I also use pot for decoration. So student, I hope worksheet is clear to you. Move on next. So student, these are the keywords. Pots, first one is pots and second one is use. So students, you have to write down these keywords in your SS notebook. And now let's discuss our practice question. This is your practice question 1. Write true or false. Pots can be used to store water. True or false? Yes, true. Second one, people started making pots 2 or 3 years ago. No, this is false. Third one, pots can be made using clay. Pots clay से बनाते हैं. Yes. A person who makes pots is called a potter. Yes. So you have to do your question 1 and question 2. What do you think pots are used for? So we use pots for serving food, store food, fill water, and for decoration. So you have to write down the answer of these questions in your notebook, in your SS notebook. So students, thank you for watching this video and watch it carefully.